Hey everyone! Today we'll open the Lenovo Legion 5A15 Gen 11. If you want to learn more about its build quality, display options, thermals, and full benchmark results, check out our detailed review on LaptopMedia.com. The link is in the description below. Let's dive in. To reach the internal components, we need to remove 10 screws and lift off the bottom cover. We're using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. This screw and the next one are slightly longer and remain stuck in the hole, so we'll pull them out later with tweezers. Here is a quick look at the screws. Using a thin plastic tool, we start releasing the clips that secure the bottom panel. Be careful not to slide the tool too far inside and damage an internal component. The bottom cover is now removed. Right above the SSD area, the inner side of the bottom cover has thermal pads that help move heat from the drives to the cover and away from the system. Here is the connector between the battery and the motherboard. This is the primary storage drive. It uses an M.2 slot designed for a full-length drive. Here is the second storage slot. Under this shield are the memory slots. The Wi-Fi card sits under this black cover. Under the cooling assembly sits the discrete graphics processor. And here is the processor location. The cooling system uses 2 fans and large heat pipes to move heat away from the CPU and GPU. We start by disconnecting the battery connector. Next, we remove the 3 screws that secure the battery. You can check the result of our battery life test on LaptopMedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. The battery is an 80 watt-hour lithium-ion unit. It also supports Rapid Charge Pro, which can reach about 50% in roughly 30 minutes. Now we remove the primary SSD. In our configuration, it's a 1TB SK Hynix PCV 10 NVMe drive running over PCI Express 4. This laptop provides two M.2 slots in total. One works at PCI Express 4x4, while the other operates at PCI Express 4x2 lanes. We remove the EMI and RFI shield to access the two memory slots. It's best to keep the tape between the shield and the heat pipes intact. There are thermal pads between the shield and the memory modules to help with cooling. We remove the memory module. This machine uses DDR5. SO-DIMM memory rated up to 5600 megatransfers per second. There are two SO-DIMM slots running in dual channel mode, and Lenovo officially lists support for up to 32 GB. Our configuration includes a 16 GB module. Let's take one last look at the cooling system and at the rest of the internal components. That was the internal layout of the Lenovo Legion 5A15 Gen 11. If you're curious about its gaming performance, display quality, and thermal behavior under load, you'll find all the detailed results in our full review on LaptopMedia.com. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe.